This is our wood gazebo. This one has mosquito netting. It's got a steel roof. It's 13 by 11. It looks great here. This is in Arizona. It looks great with our yard and with the pool. Really enjoying the shade it offers. And it's essentially our outside kitchen with our grill there. Plenty of room inside, as you can see, to shade from the sun. You can still enjoy the pool, enjoy the views, and with the mosquito netting, we don't have to have a bunch of zapping bug traps around. It looks great indoors. There's a hook up here you can hang things from, and the breeze is incredible. Really like that it's both wood and metal. Great reviews. And that's why we went with this 11 by 13 gazebo. Hope this helps.